Hey everyone! Want to delete your Telegram account after being inactive for a while but not sure how? Well, no worries, because in this video, I'll show you how you can automatically delete your Telegram account right from your PC or laptop. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app, then click on the hamburger icon from the upper left corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll all the way to the end. And now, from the Delete My Account section, click on the time period next to it right away. And choose a time period from here. And if you don't use your account during that time, it will be automatically deleted. You can go with 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. After selecting, hit save, and you are done. So guys, that's how you set your Telegram account for automatic deletion right from your computer or laptop. So if you found this video helpful, then smash that like button or subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.